Alright, you're looking at 60, or no, that's an LT40 Cadet.
Where he eventually...
Alright, as you can see, YouTube, you probably can't see a single thing out here. It's pretty much pitch black. Maybe see my buddy's car over there, light in the background. But tonight, my buddy's coming out for a night flight. Hopefully you'll be able to see the plane when it's on the ground. I'll get the takeoff and I'll try to get the landing. But it should make an interesting video. If it sucks, well, I'll still post it. But as you can see, we're still at the flying field, same as everything else we were doing earlier. Had the big planes out today. Had a great day of flying. Hopefully you guys have seen those videos. If not, check them out. We got a ×2 Tiger. It was out tonight. It was just huge. It's like the guy blew it up 2 times the size of the biggest plane, which was like a... He blew
40 size blown up 2 times.
Yeah, it was a 40 size blown up 2 times. So it was just ginormous. I got those videos. Check all that stuff out because you guys will like it.
No, I haven't.
You're looking at the night flyer. I know you can't see it. Get the flashlight on there, Lee, so they can see it. We'll see if we can get the takeoff. It's probably going to be absolutely horrible looking. You need gas again?
Let me do a quick range check here.
That is an LT40 Cadet with a 60 motor on it and night flight LAE. And you can't see it. Oh, that's the takeoff. We'll see if we can get the landing.
Can you see anything?
Ah, barely.
I think you gotta bring her by lower and slower.
You just run me over with it. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
That'd make a badass video. Lee would have to be holding the camera though, so that way it's funnier. God, I wish I had a night vision camera for this.
See how bright it is when you're straight at it?
Oh, there, I saw it. Nice. There it is with the strobe on it.
I've seen that.
You just got a strobe to finally click on. It wasn't working before. There she is sitting on the ground. Alright, here it is under the light. I threw on my car lights real quick so you can see it.
That light without lights on it. I need way more.
Running out of battery, so this will be the last light of the day. I just wanted you guys to see it.
What's up with the elevator? Why is that thing limited?
You ready? Just a dead spot in the grass. No big deal.
Get almost right on that thing. I don't think we'll have any problem seeing this thing in the sky. riding in.